Hello guys, hope you all are doing very well in your life, and in this video we are going to talk about the Chat GPT. And I think this word is nowadays very popular, and we all are very curious about this word. So basically the Chat GPT is an artificial based chatbot that is very popular, and it is a simulated chatbot that was primarily designed for the customer service, but nowadays it is being used by the people for different purposes. So what is it basically? ChatGPT means generated pre-trained transformers, and it is an artificial intelligence based chatbot that was created by the company named as OpenAI Labs, and it actually works on the basis of the NLP, that means natural language processing. And what happens when we give command, when we ask to some information from the Chat GPT chatbot, then it collects all the data from the textbooks, from the reports, and all the data available on the internet, and the chatbot collects all these information and make a model of that in its own language to interact with the human conversation. And that this chatbot actually provides all this information on the basis of the artificial intelligence. And the latest model of this Chat GPT is GPT-3 model. And now let us talk about some of the features of the Chat GPT chatbot. Actually, whatever we can ask any information to the chatbot, like we can ask to how to organize a birthday party, why is the parliamentary democracy is more better than the presidential democracy. So whatever question comes in our mind, we can ask to all these things to the chatbot. And nowadays this chatbot is very popular, and the reason of that is the interesting answers which are being given by the chatbot. And it seems that it can replace the daily mundane works like writing the emails, doing the college and the school works. It can easily replace all these tasks, so it's very popular nowadays. And according to the OpenAI lab, the chatbot can actually have also an insight about the follow-up questions, like it can predict what the people will be asking in the future, and it can follow up the questions. It can make its own predictions about what we will be going to ask. So that's the reason that it's a better chatbot to interact with the people, and it can easily interact with us and give us the information which is required. So, and the other thing is that the OpenAI has opened the beta version of this chatbot, and anybody can have access to this chatbot. So what we will have to do, we just have to go to the OpenAI website, and we have to make an account of our, and then we can easily access to the chatbot. And the users of the chatbot has actually crossed the 1 million. So now if you will be going to make an account and you will be registering on the chatbot, then you will see the message that the beta version is full. And now the CEO of the OpenAI, they are looking for making this service as paid in the future. And this chatbot, we can say, is very useful for nowadays, but people have also like questions that it will be illegal for the people. Like some people will be asking the illegal things, like how to make a bomb and all these types of things they will be asking on the internet. So the other good thing with the Chat GPT is that it can also like reject the illegal things. Whatever bad questions we will be asking, it can easily reject these questions. And in future the company will also be working on making it as a better version. So we can do a large number of things with the Chat GPT, like writing the emails, doing the coding, asking for the mathematics questions. So all these things can be done with this chatbot, and it's very helpful. Like people are using it in large numbers, and it will also be helpful and more good in the future with the technology, and more better versions of this chatbot will be coming that will be helpful for the human generation. And this is all about the Chat GPT. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a good day.